here is how to unmute notes on your Instagram. So let's do it. Go to your chats. If you tap and hold like this, you can find mute notes. If you tap on this, see that mute notes will be not seen for me. And if you want to unmute their notes, you can go to their profile like this. Here you have following, you can go to mutes. So if you click on mute, here you can mute their post, stories and notes. You can unmute them likewise. So if you can't find this, and if you have bulk of people that you have muted and you need to unmute them all, so go to your profile, click on top three dots and scroll down. Here what you see, you can find muted accounts. So I see here notes muted, and you can find all your accounts that you are muted, like post, stories or whatever that muted for people. So here you can click on unmute. Okay, I'm muting notes. See here you can unmute notes. Likewise, you haven't muted anyone if you unmuted them. This is how you can unmute notes on Instagram. Thank you.